Are you trying to build your business but you are so sick and tired of dealing with rejection? Do you wish there was a way to recruit more people or sell your products without dealing with rejection? Trust me, I know. It would be the best thing on earth if everyone you spoke to would buy your products or join your business. But unfortunately, that doesn't happen, or else everybody would be doing it. So in this video, I'm going to talk about dealing with rejection and how you can still get results if you are getting rejected. And I'm going to do that right now. Hey there, what is going on? Usifiso Mhlongo here in Gapi, and welcome to another quick tip video. If you want to learn how to grow your network marketing business or anything else that's related to network marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And if you're on mobile, you can just use the link on the video description below to subscribe. You know, when it comes to dealing with rejection, you have to realize that you'll only feel rejected if you are addicted to the outcome. But what do I mean by that? For an example, if you are going to follow up with one of your prospects who watch your presentation and you are hoping and praying that they say yes, then you are addicted to the outcome. If your prospect tells you that they are not going to join your business, you'll be very much disappointed. So dealing with rejection would be a big deal for you because you didn't get the yes that you hoped for. You know, being addicted to the outcome usually happens to people who are new to network marketing. You know, the average person in network marketing doesn't care about being rejected. If you want to be a network marketing success, you have to know how to deal with rejection. So how do you get over rejection? Well, it's simple. You don't become addicted to the outcome. You know, you need to approach your business like people who are selling popcorn or beer at the stadium. You know, those people are strictly focused on who wants beer or popcorn. You know, they walk around saying, "Nai beer, who wants beer? Anyone for a beer?" They are not concerned with people who say no. You know, they don't even try to convince someone who doesn't want beer or popcorn as to why they should want it. They just keep moving until someone says, "I'll take a beer." So, you know, you need to treat your business the same way. You know, you need to approach it with the attitude that some people are looking for a way to make extra money and some people are not. Your job is to find the ones that want your business. Don't try to convince someone who doesn't want to join your business to want to join your business. You need to have sort of like an abundance mentality. You know, never act like when someone tells you no, that they were the last person on the planet who could have joined your business or even buy your products. If you have an abundance attitude, you'll notice that dealing with rejection will not even be a thought in your head, and you'll make a lot of sales because you are not affected by someone telling you no. Dealing with rejection could be easy if you learn how to attract leads to you. A lot of people who I've spoken to struggle with rejection because they have a hard time finding people to talk to about their business opportunity or even their products. So if you learn how to attract leads to you, you won't take it seriously when someone tells you no, because you'll have a big list of people who are all contacting you about your business. So learn how to market and generate your own leads. The best leads that you can get are the ones that you attract. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when a new video is published, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.